everybody. Beautiful day, isn't it? Fabulous Las Vegas. Alright. Today, we're going to work on dropping the engine out of this bad boy so we can get the trans out, so we can go get it rebuilt, so we can make it into a freeway flyer, so we actually can go the same speed as everybody else. Yep, 71. Westy, yeah, a little rough around the edges, not gonna lie, but all in all, not too bad, not too bad. Missing some panels, jacked up seats, needs a canvas top. Luckily we got one over there. That'll be for another video. And we got the 60 right here. Pretty. Get the engine off. Rebuild this bad boy at some point. But anyways. So yep. First things first. Get this engine out. Get the trans out. Take it, get rebuilt. While that's happening, we'll get the new top on. We'll be good to go. Yep. Let's get started. So yeah, first things first, we gotta get rid of this rear tin, or this rear piece here. I don't know what it's called. I have one bolt. I don't know where the other ones are, or really what they are. I'm pretty sure this is a security bolt from like a screen door, like a front door, screen door kind of thing. I'm not sure, but it's definitely not the one that's supposed to be in there. Works though, so whatever. Anyways, if you have any of these bolts, make sure you take these ones out. Here and here and here and here, and you can just yank that boy straight back. Also helps to not have a rear bumper. I don't know. This one didn't come with one. I'll find one eventually. But yeah. Anyways, we can get rid of that. And then, depending on what you want to do, I like to take the exhaust off first, then I'll go ahead and disconnect the wires. But yeah, get the exhaust off, you know, take this tin off here. There's 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here, and then you got these 2 down here. Just gonna just see that go here, and the other 2 that are here. And then this whole piece will come off. So yeah, we can take a look at that real quick. So yeah, once you get the tin off, like I said, you got 2 bolts here for the preheat, 2 here for the other side, and you got 2 coming off the head. And like I said, these 2, and these 2, and then this whole piece will come off. So, yep, and then after that, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the wiring. Make sure you label everything. I've already taken it out a couple times. You can see I got most of it labeled. I just added a tack to this thing recently, so I need to label that wire as well. But, yeah, let's take a look. Right, so then after we get those off, and then these off, this piece here should just come shove that off. Right now, I got some mustache bar, 3 bolts down here on the motor mount, and 2. And we just have those off though. So now we're going to disconnect all the electrical wiring, fuel as well. I have mine here. Going to a hard line that goes, straight up the back. Once we get that, then we can go ahead and lift it up, get this off, drop it so it sags as it's hanging on the transmission. We can get the top 2 mounting bolts in the back, pick it back up, put a jack underneath the trans, get the bottom 2 mounting bolts, and this thing should come right out. So yeah, let's go ahead and start. I know I got this bug air cleaner on there. Got one for the bus somewhere in the back, but someone decided it was a good idea to cut that air cleaner, I guess you could say bracket, that little spot where it sits on. Cut it out. So I gotta weld a new one in there at some point, but it's a job for another day. So yeah, I definitely forgot to record that part. And the wires disconnected here. These jacked up, burnt, crappy ones. Some coming from the ignition to the positive side of the coil, and this is our oil pressure. Right there. Got those out. I'm gonna move them out of the way. Now we can start working on getting the fuel line taken care of. I'm probably gonna go in from the back and get it, clamp it, and then I'll pull this metal tube through, and then that should be good. I'll clamp one up here too so that it doesn't drip in the back. But yeah, anyways, I'll bring you back after I finish that. So yeah, now we got that disconnect from the back. Go ahead and pull it out. There. So there's our fuel line disconnected, and now we want to, forgot to take this one off. This right here on the negative side. The tack line off. Alright, so once we got everything disconnected, just double check, make sure there's nothing else going that'll get caught. Now we can hit these 2 bolts on the mustache bar. These real quick. One. There's 2. Get these bad boys put away. Actually, what I like to do, so I kind of keep track of everything, I will. I'll put the bolts back where they go on the studs. Ooh, even one of these bad boys. Get the bolts back on the studs, so don't forget where they are. Move this. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna lean back in. Get it up under the old ring. there. Lift it up enough to get pressure off of these. Right. And then we're gonna zap these 3 off. Take this mustache bar out. You can leave it on, I guess, but I like to take it off. And then we're gonna let it sag while it's still on the jack. And then get the top 2 bolts on the bell housing back there. Put the back up. Put a jack underneath the transmission, and you get the bottom 2. And then once the transmission's supported, we can just yank this bad boy straight out, and it should disconnect. So it's just kind of my crappy little thing here, a little jack. And I got this piece of wood, so it'll kind of have the thing on it. That's the best way it works. In my defense, I've only dropped 1 engine. Kind of center it right there. I don't like that. So once you get it lifted up, see it come up, and then you'll see that it comes off of there, there, right, and zap this bad boy out. Oops. We're on out of there, and get this bad boy out. Yep, just like that. Okay, now comes the fun part. I lower this real slow. It'll sag, right? It'll just fall straight down. And that looks kind of weird. Don't go too far. So a little bit's all you need, right? So you want to get enough room to get back here and get. There's gotta be something. This bolt here. There's one on the other side, but I forgot to disconnect. Oh, cable. So you want to do that real quick. Jack it back up so it's not pulling on that. Almost forgot. Sketchy, huh? I'll get that disconnected and I'll bring you guys back. So yeah, the size we're looking for here is a 17 millimeter. Get it on here. Break her loose. Put that off. Well, you can pull the bolt that comes with it. Come over to the other side. Same thing. There. And then lift it back up. Like I said, about where it's supposed to be, right? Up under here. So make sure it's nice and stable. Right here. And one on the other other side. The lower part off. Like I said, 17. Alright, so now we're not really connected by anything. So now as we go back around the front, drop it a little bit so that it rests on here, and then pull it right out very slowly. Drop this until the transmission rests on that. Hit right there. Just a little bit. Yeah, alright. Alright. There it is. Coming right up. Nice and slow. When she's clear of everything, nothing's gonna grab. Spark plug wires wise. Yeah. Drag her on back. Just like that. Next part, we're gonna be pulling that trans out so we can take it to the shop and get it rebuilt. God only knows how heavy it is. Hope I can get it out of there. Alright, let's see it. Thanks for watching. We'll get that trans out in the next one. I'm really new to this. Just started doing my own maintenance on these fairly recently. I always had a buddy of mine take care of it, but since I moved out here to Vegas, I'm kind of on my own. So I figured I should probably learn, save me some money. But yeah, this is where I'll be putting all the videos of me doing random crap to these buses, Beetles, whatever I can get my hands on, you know. It's a lot of fun. I'm pretty sure anyone who's watching this has got to be in the hobby, huh? Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if there's something I could do to make these better. I've never actually made videos before, so God only knows how bad the editing was on this. Either way, there it goes. Careful, buddy. Sorry. Anyways, see y'all on the next one.